Welcome to the Outerbind Service Video Learning Series. Today's topic, installing a replacement pigtail nut kit, part number 12-0065. On the table before us we have some components. Of course we have our replacement pigtail nut kit. It includes the nylon washer. This adds support to the shoulder of the pigtail, and it also includes our replacement pigtail nut. And the nut itself has an actual notch cut into it, and the notch is at an angle, therefore you can easily slip it over the actual pigtail. Now Outerbind produced this kit so that in the event that a pigtail nut is cracked or damaged, it can easily be replaced. Now we compare this with the actual standard nut, and this is a standard nut, and you can see there's no notch. It's just a smooth surface. Okay, two-step process. Of course, the first thing we need to do is inspect our actual pigtail. Is the shoulder damaged? If the shoulder's been compromised, then you have to replace the pigtail assembly itself, not just the nut, because the shoulder is a key component. So, knowing that this pigtail has a good shoulder, we take our pigtail nut. With the notch, what we do is take the actual shoulder of the pigtail and we preload it into the notch like so, and at this point we can actually twist it into place. You see it just screws right on, and that's the ease of installing a replacement pigtail nut. Now that's step one. Step two, we take our nylon washer, slip it on the actual pigtail, and at that point what we can do is use a small straight blade screwdriver and use this as leverage and basically guide it over the actual shoulder like so. And that completes the installation process. It's that basic. Now before you go and install the pigtail back to the aerator onto the bulkhead, remember always hand tighten the actual nut, never take a tool or wrench to it. But before we install this, you have to use your dielectric grease. Put a little dielectric grease in the bulkhead cavity of the aerator prior to installing the cable. This makes for a watertight connection. Outerbind sells these single-use packs, part number 48-0001. If you put an asterisk 10 next to that, it'll give you a 10-pack. Now we also sell this by the 5.3 ounce tube. This is part number 48-0002. This is a key component prior to installing your pigtail back to your unit. That concludes our video. Thanks for watching.